Hi guys, it's Tuesday, May 5th. We're going to start with our rhyming. They play. I hope you gave me a thumbs up. They play a rhyme. How now? Yep, how and now rhyme too. Run, fun. Yep, run and fun rhyme. All, not. No, all and not do not end the same. Fall, tall. Yep, fall and tall rhyme. Okay, onset fluency. Repeat after me. How, hop, huh. Reel, roll, Farmer, fox, wife, wave, wa. Cut, comb, k. Good. Okay, we are going to blend our words together. Arm, farm. Your turn. Wife, wife. Cut, cut. Him. Tail, tail. Just a hint, that's going to have to do with our nursery rhyme later. Okay, middle are medial sounds. Repeat after me. D, and, a is the middle sound. Good. S, et, e. F, in, I. Op, ah. Run, Okay, good job. Get your choppers out. Okay, we're chopping up the syllables of the words, or the rhymes. Tan, t, an. Page, p, age. Kid, k, id. Zoo, z, oo. House, h, ouse. Okay, great job. We're going to add phonemes. Phonemes are parts of words. So today we're adding to the beginning part of our word. We have the part an, add t at the beginning to make tan. We have the part et, add p at the beginning to make pet. We have the part ip, add h at the beginning to make hip. Good job. We have the part ought, add o at the beginning to make lot. We have the part uck, add d at the beginning to make duck, duck. Good job. Okay, now we're going to delete part of our phonemes. We have the word ham, take away h, what's left? Am. We have the word red, take away what's left? Ed. We have the word lick, take away what's left? Ick. We have the word fog, take away f, what's left? Og. We have the word bug, take away b, What's left? Ugh. Good job. Okay, our nursery rhyme. 3 blind mice. Repeat after me. 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice. See how they run. See how they run. Okay, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow on